Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add Hibernate option in the power menu list of Start menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by clicking on the Windows Start menu icon. And now if I click on this power menu button, now you can see here by default, we don't have the Hibernate option. So in order to add a Hibernate option in this power menu list, what you need to do is just search for control panel. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on this category option. Now just select this large option. Now just click on this power options. Now on the left side, just click on this choose what the power buttons does. Now click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you will see here Hibernate option. So by default this option will be disabled. So just select it, click on Save Changes. Now you can close this window. Now once again just click on the Windows Start menu icon. Now let me click on this power menu button. Now you'll see here the Hibernate option is showing up. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add Hibernate option in the power menu list of Start menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.